Asian markets were trading on low volumes, yes, because the Japanese market is shut. But the other markets were trading, in fact, with strong gains. If you take a look at the screen right now, the Kospi at the start of the show was indicating an uptick of around 0.3%. Now it's moved into the red. So I think we should get that up for you on the screen. Hang Seng as well is now down more than 300 points. So maybe, in fact, we should get that market as well up for you on the screen. All the Asian markets, they're now trading with cuts in comparison to green when the kickstart trade. And let's pull up the SGX Nifty as well. That's going to be quite interesting. That's the Hang Seng market. That's down more than 500 points. So just keep an eye out on that one. And the SGX Nifty, that's indicating a 20-point bump up. Now, you compare the SGX Nifty, that's 10,944, with the Nifty futures. Because yesterday, the SGX Nifty was not trading. And adjusted for that, that'll indicate, in fact, so you're comparing 10,945 with 10,962. Adjusted for that, actually the SGX Nifty is telling you that we're likely to start off with a downtick of around 15 points. So just keep that in mind. The absolute change is indicating green, but actually adjusted for yesterday's close, it's indicating red. So Asian markets, fair to say, they're in a bit of a tizzy. Besides that, we have two challenges. One is the GST collections weren't great, and the second factor is the auto sales numbers as well weren't very, very good. But let's move on. Amitabh Chaudhary has taken over as the new boss of Axis Bank. This with Shikha Sharma leaving the bank after almost a decade at the helm. cnbc TV 18's Ritu Singh reports on the key challenges the new MD and CEO will have to stir the country's third largest private sector bank through.
For Amitabh Chaudhary, the new year is the start of a new chapter, this one as the MD and CEO of Axis Bank. Chaudhary has been appointed MD and CEO for 3 years and his tenure will end on the 31st of December 2021. The former MD and CEO of HDFC Life was tapped to take charge of India's third largest private lender after Shikha Sharma's term was abruptly cut short when the RBI asked Axis Bank to reconsider giving her another 3-year term.
People come and go, but I think institutions last for much longer if they're built right, and hopefully you will see evidence of that going forwards. And I think we wish Amitabh and the new team all the very best.
Sharma is not the only top executive to leave the bank. Deputy Managing Director V. Srinivasan's term ended in December, and Siddharth Rath, the head of corporate banking, left the bank earlier in 2018. So Chaudhary's first task will be to set up his new team while working with existing senior executives to ensure a smooth transition. He will also have a few fires to put out. The most pressing one arguably being the beating the bank's image took when it came under the regulator's scanner for 2 consecutive years of divergence reporting. This divergence has raised questions on underreporting by the bank. Then there's the continued fallout from demonetization, during which allegations were made of money laundering activities through some of its branches. None of these are small challenges. And when Amitabh Chaudhary was named Shikha Sharma's successor, many had questioned his limited experience in corporate banking. He had a brief stint with wholesale and corporate banking during his time at Bank of America back in 1987. He later went on to head investment banking at Callion Bank before serving as MD and CEO of Infosys BPO. He then joined HDFC Life, where he went on to head the insurance giant's operations. But what will work to his advantage is his experience in technology, which can help scale the bank's digital initiatives and probably strengthen internal controls. In Mumbai, Ritu Singh.